Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on, folks? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am. I am from the internet, and today I want to show you how you can get a bad scratch out of a screen, or at the very least, hide that so you can see through it, or at least not quite notice it. And this can be done very easily. Now, I've already made a video where I go over it with an eraser, and that helps out somewhat, but some people have said that it doesn't help them out much at all with their particular unit. Now, I want to show you a trick that has absolutely worked for me recently, and I have been using this as my go-to. It's kind of temporary, but still, let's check it out. So here we are at my main battle station, my fortress of seclusion. I definitely had a nasty scratch on this unit to the right, but I can't see it right now. It's simply not there. Well, it's there all right. It's just hiding. It's in disguise. Now over here, you can see the really nasty scratch I got, and its sister scratch just down here. Do you see that? I bet you can. I bet you can. Now, you're probably wondering, what do I have a thing of Vaseline here for? Well, Dollar Store Petroleum Jelly will actually help us out here. And what you want to do is just get a little bit of that. Just a little bit. Come back over, and then I probably use a little bit too much. Just use it, kind of flake it away. Just like that. Come on. You can't even see the frickin' scratch anymore. You can see the one underneath it. Maybe you can see just a little bit of it. Anyways, let me get the other one. This is a little difficult because I'm only looking at my camera. Now, when you turn your monitor off, you're going to see kind of something over top of it. You're going to know that there was something there. So yeah, of course, after you get that on, you're going to want to give it a little bit of a wipey. But when you're done, check that out. White always gives away scratches, but I am not seeing that. But if you go to the right angle, I'm not even seeing it here. Yeah, you can kind of see the shadow of the TP jelly. Of the jelly. So what the jelly does is basically, it's see-through. You see right through it, and it takes over the cracks, so when you smear over top of it, it makes it look like it's not even there. It's freaking amazing, and it absolutely works, and I definitely recommend you guys check it out. Anyways, let me know what you think. Man, that really doesn't look good. The jelly and the Kleenex. Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, like and subscribe if I helped you out. Always appreciated. And as always, folks, take care of each other.